What is up? I have some awesome news for the AR/VR industry, something very exciting. But before I start, first of all, welcome to this channel. This channel is all about helping you to grow in the AR/VR industry, whether you're a developer, a designer, sound guy, whatever you are. If you want to create some awesome AR/VR applications, then feel free to subscribe to learn more, and let's get started with the video. It's finally out. Oculus just leaked a ton of videos, no, not a ton, but 4 videos that show the Oculus Quest 2, which is really cool and really exciting since the Oculus Quest has been one of the, if not the best VR headset on the market. So of course the whole industry and me included, we are very excited for the upcoming Oculus Quest 2, and let's check out some specs because they are very awesome. So the Oculus Quest 2 is smaller and lighter, which just means that it's gonna be more mobile and it's gonna be more comfortable. I mean, the Oculus Quest 1 is already quite easy to wear and it's comfortable already, but if they can improve even this factor, that's amazing. It looks quite similar than the Oculus Quest 1. It also has 4 cameras, so the general setup from the outside is quite similar except the color, obviously. But yeah, of course, like improvement. The strap is a bit different, but otherwise, yeah, smaller, lighter is always welcome in the AR/VR industry, so looking forward. One of the best improvements is the resolution of the headset, which goes to nearly 2K per eye, which then, yeah, translates to nearly 4K in total. If we compare to the Oculus Quest 1, which has a dual OLED display with 144x160, it is a big improvement. It also, like, it's 50% more pixels than the Quest, and the Quest was not bad, it was good already, especially for being a mobile device. So I'm, yeah, really just super excited to try it out myself. I mean, like, those kind of numbers, they are good on paper, but yeah, you don't get the 2K feeling if you just read it. So let's see how it goes once it comes out. The RAM and the storage have both improved from 4GB RAM to 6GB RAM, and from 64/128GB on the Quest 1 to 256GB storage now, which is pretty cool because most likely the games with the better textures and better everything will just grow in size, and 64GB is not that much, so it's pretty good. We can have a number of games there now, and that's also always very welcome. To me, the most exciting improvement is the new processor. So instead of using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, the Oculus Quest 2 is using the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor. And what does this mean? As you can see on the chart, it's just such an amazing improvement. So again, like, the chart is just a chart, so we have to try it out ourselves to get a real feeling for it. But just reading this looks incredible already. We have twice the performance on the CPU and GPU. We have 4 times better video pixel throughput. The display is 6 times better, and the AI performance is 11 times better. So it's not a small jump, it's a very, very big jump according to those specs, of course. Let's see how it looks in real life. But very, very, very exciting. And the XR2 Snapdragon supports Wi-Fi 6, which can be very cool for not only games and stuff like this, but also for business applications, because you can stream just very big CAD data. And again, on this channel we also cover business use cases for AR/VR, so having Wi-Fi 6 there is just amazing. And I'm really looking forward to stream some very big data and see how it looks. The refresh rate is still unclear, but the Oculus Quest 1 uses a 72Hz display, if I'm not wrong. It looks good. The controller look very similar to me. I mean, you just have to feel it and then you know if it's different or not, but most likely they are quite similar since the Quest 1 controllers are pretty good anyways, so never change a running system, as we know as developers, so most likely it's not gonna be a big difference. Oculus Link is still supported, which is really nice, otherwise it would be kind of a shame if they would deprecate it. So you can still use your Oculus Quest as a desktop VR headset if you want to, for whatever reason, because the Quest 2 has like big specs already. So let's see what you can do. One really interesting thing as well, especially for non-game developer for XR. So if you want to make business really, is the use for hand tracking. This is really cool because in business it's like already a big bonus if you don't have to teach someone controllers. I know on the gaming side it's very different, like people just know how to use stuff, but in business, like even telling them to push a trigger with one finger or like using this gesture for the HoloLens it's very hard. So if you don't have any controller, it makes the life much easier. So especially on this I'm also pretty looking forward to, because that can be a game changer in the business world as well. And of course, all the SDKs are available for free on the Oculus page. And even more important for you, I will definitely, as soon as this device comes into my hands, will create some awesome tutorials for you, be it business, be it games, hand tracking, whatever it is. I want to try it out. I want to make some cool demos and yeah, teach it to you, because teaching is fun and you will like it. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you have some awesome use case already for the Oculus Quest 2, and then we can figure it out. So should you still buy an Oculus One? Probably not. I feel very bad for the people who just bought an Oculus Quest. And to my shame, I just convinced my parents to buy an Oculus Quest, I think like 2 weeks ago. I'm very sorry, Mom. This is it already for this video. If you want to become a creator, not only consume VR content, then again, subscribe to this channel. I will teach you everything you need to know to get into the industry, to make some awesome games, make some business, make money, whatever you want to do. And if you have any questions, of course, as always, or feedback, leave them in the comments below. I appreciate all your comments. It helps me a lot to just understand what you guys need and what you don't want, for example. So yeah, let me know if you liked it or not. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, I see you in the next one.